Okay, a little update on the Bronco. Working on some electronics. Got this old ignition switch off. Here's the new one, part number. These are kind of a problem for some people. So always make sure that the new one matches the old one. Looks like it does. It goes right back here. This is your ignition activator rod. Okay, when you turn the key, it pushes that rod. Okay, that rod goes in here. It allows the current to flow. So you can power up your coil and all your electronics. In order to get to it, there's a bolt here and a bolt here that you unbolt. The column drops down, okay? And then you can access it much easier. That is the way to go. So, fuse box underneath the dash. This is a problem if your engine intermittently shuts off while you're driving, or you shake the steering wheel. It can cause some problems. Bronco's pretty rough. It's going to need another seat. Like I said, this window was down for the whole time, 10 years. Got the window back up. Okay. Already got a buddy who has a parts truck and can get hooked up with another seat. Got a fuel tank, new fuel pump, new fuel filter for this. Okay, so that's what's going on underneath the column on the inside. Just going to go ahead and replace the fuel tank, because once the fuel sits in these things, it's usually pretty trash. Got the new battery on. The engine does turn over. It's not locked up. I need to check this air box, make sure there's no rat's nest in there. That's pretty common. If they've been sitting, that there'll be a nest in here when you go to crank it up. Be all clogged up. Yeah, that's it. That's what's going on with this thing. Needs a bath. And just needs some time put into working. See if it'll crank and fire up. Get this new part on there and get it all bolted back up. Go from there.